gonna do a tutorial about how to turn one of those IKEA bedside tables into a nice marble top bedside table with vinyl paper, which is contact paper. So I have this awesome vinyl contact paper, which is the one in brown marble. So it's brown and gold. I'm gonna lay this on top of the IKEA nightside table and make it look like there's a big marble slab on top. So that's what we're doing now. Keep watching. For this project, you're gonna need marble contact paper, scissors, any type of card, this is my student ID, and an IKEA nightside table, or any other table that you want to cover the surface and make it look a little nicer. So the point of this is to buy cheap furniture from IKEA and make them nicer and glam them up so you don't have to go out and buy very expensive furniture. So this is very inexpensive. I think this cost me $10 or $15 on Amazon. I think there are cheaper ones available. It ranges anywhere between $10 and $26, so depends where you are. Each drawer like this. Wow, that looks really cool. It's like reflecting the painting that I have behind me. So it looks rainbow, but they're actually just silver and mirror color. I'm going to get a drill tomorrow and attach these here like this to make these IKEA furnitures look a little more high-end. These knobs were from Home Depot and they were about $10 each, so not the cheapest thing ever. 3 o'clock in the morning and I'm tired. So this is just one of those really boring bedside tables, and I used vinyl paper here to make it look a little more glammed up. Let me know if you like this video and make sure to subscribe down below, please. Thanks.